Hello, WizKids team. Welcome to episode 2 in our coronavirus mini series. So, in the first episode, we introduced the series and kicked it off by going over what a virus is. So, if you missed that, then just click the link in the top right banner thingy right now. In this video, we are going to look at what makes a virus a virus. So, viruses, like you and me, come in different shapes and sizes, which is known as different morphologies. But they do have a few common defining features, with the first being their size. Viruses are small, and I mean tiny. Let's try an experiment to give you an idea of how small we're talking. Take a strand of your hair and cut it in half. Now try to measure the diameter of the cross section. If any one of you managed to do this, please leave a comment below because that alone deserves a guest appearance in one of our videos. Okay, so you probably see this is virtually impossible to do by hand because the diameter of that hair strand is typically about 0.075 millimeters, which is the same as saying 7,500 nanometers. Now compare this to the diameter of a typical virus, which is between 300 nanometers down to a sensationally tiny 20 nanometers. Put simply, your hair is like the Burj Khalifa next to a virus, which is why the only way we can really see viruses is using an electron microscope. As viruses are so small, the structure of a typical single virus particle, which is called a
virion,
is not like a normal cell. So to help understand this, let's imagine an Instagram post that's gone viral. The post has a number of key parts. The main core is the photo or image that stores all the information. The picture is encapsulated in the post so that you can see it among other posts. Some posts have filters which envelop the photo, and often posts have hashtags that help it spread and stick out in the crowd. This is not too dissimilar from a
virion.
The main core is made up of genetic material, DNA or RNA, which stores all the information and instructions on how it can make copies of itself. This is encapsulated in a protective protein called the capsid. Some viruses are enveloped in a fatty membrane or lipid layer, which is called the viral envelope, and they often have protein sticks coming out called receptors, which help them attack and spread into other cells. Okay, that's it for this mini bite. In the next episode, we will go over how viruses work and infect cells. So please do like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as that video is out. And also please do drop a comment below if there are any specific areas you want covered in more detail. Until next time, stay healthy guys, look after each other, and peace.